Welcome to Miss Wow, where lavender dreams meet real-life curves in the most joyful way possible. Today we explore plus-size mother-of-the-bride dresses in soothing lavender midi styles that let you move, hug, dance, and glow beside your child's big moment. From airy chiffon to sparkling lace, we have tips that honor comfort and confidence. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now let's begin this stylish journey together, step by step. First, let's talk length. A midi dress ends around mid-calf, giving mothers enough coverage to sit, stand, or whirl across the dance floor without catching the hem under a heel. For plus-size figures, this length highlights shapely ankles and balances proportions, especially when paired with comfy kitten heels. Designers say empire waists or gentle A-lines prevent cling and create a sleek column effect, boosting confidence and gentle movement all evening. Lavender is more than a pretty shade. It carries a calm, hopeful energy that perfectly matches a wedding's loving mood. Wedding planners note that soft purple tones flatter many skin tones and photograph beautifully beside ivory and blush bouquets. Mothers wearing lavender coordinate easily with bridesmaids in lilac or silver, staying elegant yet distinctive. When choosing fabric, look for chiffon, georgette, or stretch lace that allow breathability during lively receptions. Necklines and sleeves matter too. V-neck or scoop neck shapes elongate the torso and highlight graceful jewelry without adding bulk, while three-quarter sleeves slim arms and hide bra straps, a true confidence booster. Look for built-in shapewear panels or softly gathered ruching that smooths the midsection without feeling tight, as reviewed by curvy fashion creators on TikTok. Detailing can lift a dress from nice to unforgettable. Vertical lace panels, narrow bead trails, or a softly draped sash draw the eye up and down, making the frame look taller and leaner. Floral embroidery in silver or mauve threads pairs beautifully with lavender fabric, catching low evening light for subtle sparkle. Remember, less is more. Choose one standout feature and let quality tailoring do the rest for timeless photographs. Accessories should harmonize without stealing the spotlight. Pair a lavender midi with a soft silver clutch and low metallic heels for shine that echoes the dress without overpowering it. Add pearl drop earrings or a dainty crystal bracelet to keep necklines clear and still flattering. Shawls and sheer dove gray organza add warmth for sunset ceremonies while letting the lavender remain center stage. And slip-resistant shawls guard against lively dance floor spins. That wraps our Lavender Plus Size Mother of the Bride guide in midi-length glory. I hope these tips help you feel confident, radiant, and ready to celebrate the day with style. All dresses featured today can be explored through the Amazon links in the description below. I earn a small commission while you pay no extra cost.